What are you doing, Bugs?
I love it. He's up. What you doing, Bubba?
Go, honey, go.
Did you get too high?
Oh no, he's trying to go
No,
higher.
he's going up the other way. I know.
Look at Rome. Look at Romy.
Top that one, buddy.
He's like, how do you get up there?
Your brother showed you out. Dang it. What a climb.
You think this is what he does at night? Just goes and hangs out in the tree?
Well, I mean, the more he hangs out, the more he's going to be a hunter.
No, that makes me feel good. So if anything chases him at
He
night.
can go right up there. Nothing's going to give. Not a cat. I need to get that sauce all out. Cut these off out of here. We still got that piece that I need to do.
What you doing, honey?
On my way to home.
You checking out every branch?
Good boy, Bugsy.
It's adorable.